Greetings, today we will review Angrox Universal Replacement Remote applicable for Tcl-Roku. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Few reasons good about this product. This remote is for Tcl-Roku Smart LED TVs only. Please not be confused with the Roku remote, which is used for the Roku stick or Roku player. No setup required, no program or setup need, and comes with two AAA batteries, so you can start using the remote right out of the box. Long-lasting, our updated replacement remote has a quick transmission plus response time of 0.2 seconds. The buttons have been tested to support over 100,000 clicks. Features: the replacement Tcl-Roku Smart TV Remote transmits a signal over long distances and is 100% identical to the original remote, making it an ideal choice for when your remote needs to be replaced. The remote features shortcut buttons for Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Vudu. After-sale service, our replacement Tcl-Roku-TV Remote comes with an unlimited return and refund service in 30 days. We maintain a high standard of excellence and strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 4.6 for thickness. Rated 4.5 for easy to use. Rated 4.3 for remote control. Rated 3.4 for volume control. Rated 4.9 for value for money. 506 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.6 star rated. User reviews. We carefully analyzed hundreds of reviews from buyers and selected few of important reviews which helps you to make your buying decision. For detailed review please check the link in description. $645 happy buyers. Top selling product in Amazon. Overall 4.6 star rated. 89% buyers has 0 complaints. Our verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.